Since the Eisenhower administration, the U.S. had subscribed to the Domino Theory, the idea that if one country fell to communism, other neighboring countries would soon follow. This fear of a communist chain reaction was the driving factor behind much of the United States foreign policy during the Cold War.
All right, so in early Cold War years, this was what foreign policymakers in the United States government believed, both in Congress and in the Oval Office, that if one country goes communist, the rest around them will fall like dominoes. As you will learn later on, they soon realized this really was not the case, but they kept publicly using it as a rationalization for actions that were being taken, such as the Vietnam War.
The situation in Southeast Asia was a perfect example. Between 1961 and 1973, American troops fought in Vietnam, trying to prevent communist-controlled and Soviet-supported North Vietnam from invading and overtaking U.S.-backed South Vietnam. The thinking was that if Vietnam became communist, all of Southeast Asia would be under threat.